Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present with another video. So, new detailed renders of the Meizu 15 Plus have been leaked on the Chinese microblogging site Weibo. These renders detail the design of the upcoming flagship smartphone offering of the Chinese smartphone manufacturer Meizu, and according to previous reports, it will likely be launched in the spring of 2018. Based on the leaked renders, the Meizu 15 Plus will likely sport a display with an aspect ratio of 80:9 and it will have thin bezels at both the top and the bottom of the handset. However, unlike previous leaks, it seems that the Meizu 15 Plus will not include the M-back key, a physical button that has been present in a number of smartphones released by the Chinese device maker. Meanwhile, users will find a single front-facing camera and a near piece above the display. The leaked renders show that the handset will sport a dual rear camera that is aligned vertically, while a circular LED flash is placed directly below the two rear shooters. Earlier leaks demonstrate that the logo of the manufacturer is also placed on the rear panel. The right-hand side of the handset contains the power button, and it seems that the right side of the device also contains the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, similar to the one found in the recently launched Meizu M6s. The left-hand side of the smartphone, on the other hand, will likely include the volume rocker. Located on the top of the handset are the microphone and the SIM card slot. It has been reported previously that the Meizu 15 Plus will likely be available in two hardware variants. One variant will contain 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal flash storage, and it will have a price tag of 2,999 yuan, which translates to $474 at the current exchange rate. Meanwhile, the more expensive model, which includes 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal flash storage, is expected to come with a price tag of 3,499 yuan, $553. Rumors also indicate that the Meizu 15 Plus will have two color options, which are black and white. The device is expected to ship with FlyMOS pre-installed. More details about the availability and the specifications of the handset will likely be released once the device is officially launched, which will likely take place after the Chinese Spring Festival. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's subscribe and share, my friends. Cause you all the best.